Okay, we'll first show you how we've actually braced this boom, connected that end, the middle portion, the T-unit section that holds the wire up, and also the end view, and you can see the bracket we've used so we don't get any twist. So here's the T section that holds the wire up, and you can see if you need to tension the wires, it's adjustable, and of course you tighten it there, and here you attach the T bit onto the boom, and all you need to do is just put the wire on like that. And now I'll show you how it works. This has 2 pounds of weight on either end, and you can see how it's sagged down, and it's just a matter of lifting the wires up like that, and you can see it's straight, and that's how it works. And I suppose, well, that's about it.